A developing and scary situation in Sumner County. Nearly 24 residents of a nursing home were taken to the hospital late last night because of coronavirus concerns. This is the same long-term care facility that had seen at least 2 positive cases this week. NewsChannel 5 Investigates was the first to report this outbreak in Gallatin, and Jennifer Kraus was on the scene late last night watching this evacuation unfold.
It's something that you don't think you're ever going to see in your hometown and where you live. It's like a movie.
It was unsettling to watch as emergency crews covered from head to toe in hazmat suits and wearing breathing masks brought one patient after another out of the Gallatin Center for Rehabilitation and Healing late Friday night. In all, nearly 24 ambulances from across Sumner County and from as far away as Cheatham and Dixon counties spent more than 2 hours carefully taking patients out of this nursing home off North Water Avenue, not far from downtown Gallatin.
We were advised that some of those patients had tested positive for COVID-19, and the other ones were being transported out of an abundance of precaution because they were displaying signs and symptoms.
City, county, and hospital officials held a briefing as word of what was going on here quickly spread throughout Sumner County, and anxious family members raced to the scene to find out about their loved ones.
There's really no way to describe it. It's overwhelming, especially when your mom's now right at the heart of it, and you just can't get answers.
A total of 19 patients were taken from the nursing home to Sumner Regional Medical Center, and officials said in the coming days there may be more.
We have mobilized our emergency team, and we are already implementing plans that will immediately and significantly increase our capacity across our health system should we experience a steep increase in critically ill patients.
No one from the facility was at this briefing, nor did they make themselves available to reporters at the scene, where the ambulance crews returned to be decontaminated after they'd taken patients to the hospital. It was only Thursday when NewsChannel 5 Investigates was the first to report of a possible outbreak here, and nursing home administrators tried to downplay the seriousness of what was going on, insisting that only one patient had tested positive and was no longer in the facility. And earlier in the day on Friday, administrators repeatedly assured families in a conference call that they had everything under control and families had nothing to worry about.
Obviously, there was plenty to worry about. There's still plenty to worry about.
Jamie Vincent's mother has been here just 3 weeks, and she was frantic and her husband very upset that the facility was not giving them more information.
That's it, they don't care. It really seems deliberate indifference in this. It's like, we're not going to tell you anything.
On Friday, nursing home administrators promised families that they would keep them updated on the facility's Facebook page. But by Friday evening, it suddenly vanished with no explanation. What also is unclear is how many employees here have now tested positive or showing signs of the virus. Multiple sources tell NewsChannel 5 Investigates that staff members who were sick were told to keep working, and that many of them now have been tested and are awaiting their results. Gallatin's Mayor Paige Brown described what's happening here as incredibly sad for our community.
We ask that you keep these patients and their families in your prayers, and we ask that this serve as a message to you all that this virus is so very serious.
Jennifer Kraus, NewsChannel 5 Investigates.
Again, 19 patients were taken to the hospital last night, and several patients and staff members are waiting on test results. This story continues to unfold, and Jennifer is still asking a lot of questions. You can count on more reporting throughout the day.